Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we got a 2025 F-350 single rear wheel. This is a really cool truck that we can show you a whole bunch of things that we've done to it to really separate it from the crowd. Now, first things first, this gentleman lives in an older house and his garage door is a few inches lower than normal. He bought this new truck and guess what? Sets too tall, can't get it in the garage. So we went with our stock height suspension. So the cool thing about this is this gentleman is pulling trailers 90% of the time with this. So he needed the suspension to get a smooth ride, keep everything stable, but we're also going to use the advantage of the air ride suspension to lower the truck 4 inches and be able to get in that low garage door. So our front suspension consists of the airbag and the bracketry, as well as our remote resi Raptor shocks. Now these shocks are tuned to the airbags to get you the most optimum ride. We also added our Kelderman radius arms, and what's cool about those is they have an adjustable bar on the bottom that makes it really easy to set your caster. The radius arms are also much stronger than the factory and give you a really cool look. All the trailers that this guy is pulling are bumper pull trailers. So we went with our stock height 4-link suspension, which is an extremely stable setup. You've also got the larger sway bar. And then with the air ride suspension and our automatic leveling, it's going to keep the truck level, whether he's got a small trailer on the back or if he's throwing a couple thousand pounds of tongue weight, it's going to keep it straight. So the control system we went with is our Airlift 3H system. So we have the box that has the 2 compressors, which are Vier 444s. We have our dryer. This guy's in Pennsylvania, so he's going to have cold weather. So that dryer is going to keep the moisture out of the system, keep it working trouble-free during the winter. We have the 2 3-gallon tanks on here. We also make these tanks in-house now. Of course, with the 2 3-gallon air tanks, we got the air chuck right here. So you can carry an onboard air hose if you have a low tire, ATVs, trailer tire, whatever you need. When you have onboard air, we got to take advantage of that. Some other things that I really like about this truck is, you don't have to build a big jacked up truck with monster wheels and tires to get all the really cool subtle things that we'll do and the custom paint work. So we tinted the taillights and the third brake light, so we got rid of that bright red. Looks great with the black. We painted the back panel on the platinum that's usually silver, put in the silver letters, and just gives us this real custom look. So for the wheel and tire combination, we went with 20-inch fuel rims, and the tires are the Toyo AT3s. Open countries. This is an awesome tire. We run it on a lot of our shop trucks here because it's good in the snow, and also these tires last a long time. So a couple more things we did to keep this truck standing apart from the crowd. We popped off the factory emblems and we did these in matte black, got rid of that red, and the matte black has a little bit of contrast with the gloss black. Then we also took apart the side badges here. We got rid of the chrome strip, painted that black. We've got silver on the F-350, and we got the Kelderman badge on top. So on the front of this truck, Ron popped the grill out and the headlights and worked his magic. So what we did is we have a tint around on the outer part, so it kind of de-chromes this bright headlight. And these platinum grills have a ton of chrome on it too. So we blacked out the centers here, and we instead of these being chrome now, they're that same silver that we have on the F-350. So what I really love about this truck is you don't have to go hog wild to, you don't need a big lift. We don't need big tires to really make a cool looking truck. We got a stock height truck here, some cool wheels and tires, best suspension in the industry. And then some painting here and there really makes this a sharp looking truck. So keep in mind, don't have to go big. Just send us your truck. We'll make it cool. Way cooler than anybody else's.